Good morning dear students, welcome back to CLE Science online class. I hope you all are absolutely fine and doing well at your home. Dear students, in today's class we are going to revise the living things and non-living things concept, which is very useful for you for the upcoming PT examination, okay, for upcoming periodic test. So dear students, let's recall what are the living things. So the living things means they can move, they can breathe, or they can grow. So these are the basic things of to know about the living things. What about the non-living things? They are not going to move, okay, they do not move, they do not breathe. So in this such types of the things we have discussed, okay. So now in today's class we are going to discuss some short answer question and answer, and as well as for the important question for your PT examination. Dear students, here you can see here what are the difference between the living things and non-living things. So dear students, this is the main important question. You must to know about the difference between the living things and the non-living things. It can be asked for 2 marks questions. Write the two difference for living things and non-living things. So you have to make a column in this way and you have to write the answer in the points. So first thing is the living things can grow, okay, whereas the non-living things, they do not grow, is it? They do not grow. And whether they are responding to touch, so living things, they are responding to touch, is it? And what about the non-living things, whether they are responding? No, they are do not responding. Living things, what they are doing, they can reproduce by their own self, but whether it is a possible for non-living things? No, they do not reproduce. Living things, they can move? Yes, they can move. What about the non-living things, whether they can move? No, they cannot move, okay. So such type of question can be asked for 2 marks. So be ready for such answer, okay dear students. Now discuss for the next question. What are the natural things? Natural things are those which is created by nature itself. What are the examples? Sun, moon, plants, forest. These are the example of natural things. The question can be asked, give 2 examples of natural non-living things. So answer is rock and soil, is it? And the question can be asked, write the 2 animals that lay eggs. So what are the examples? That is the hen and snake. Okay, they are laying the eggs. They are not able to produce by themselves, so they lay eggs, is it? So dear students, the question can be asked, how does a snake move? Snakes move with the help of their whole body, is it? So whether they can move by legs? No. Whether they can move by hands? No. Whether they have wings? No. So snake moves with the help of their whole body, is it? So here dear students, the question can be asked for this way, write L for features of living things, okay, L for living things, and write NL for the features of non-living things. So question can be asked, so you have to be practice such a question. So a snake crawling on the ground, is it? A snake is a living thing or a non-living thing? It is a living thing or non-living thing? Snake can move, snake can grow, so it is a living thing. So you have to write as a L. A teacher teaching in the class. Yes, a teacher teaching in the class. Whether it is a teacher is a who? Teacher is a human being. So what is the answer here? L or NL? It is a L itself, because teacher is the living thing. A kite fly high in the sky. Whether kite can move by themselves? No. So it needs a help of human beings. So whether it is a possible to kite move by themselves? No. So kite flying high in the sky. Whether kite is a living things or non-living things? It is a non-living things. So you have to write as a NL. A moving fan. Fan is what? It is a living things or non-living things? So for moving the fan, you need electricity, you need power. So fan is a living thing or non-living thing? It is a non-living thing, is it? So this such type of question can be asked for 2 marks or 4 marks. Okay. Now the question can be asked, the following non-living things are made with the help of living things. Name these living things. Okay. So wool. How you are going to obtain the wool? From the animals. Is it? From the animals. It is a living things itself. Wool is a non-living thing. Jam. It is a living thing or non-living thing? It is a non-living thing. But how you are going to obtain? You are going to obtain by the natural things, that is the plants. Okay, plants is a living things itself, natural living things. Cotton shirt. How you are going to obtain this cotton shirt? From the cotton plant. Is it? From the cotton plant. So what is the plant? Living things or non-living things? It is a living thing. Pencil. Okay, so how you are going to obtain this pencil? From the trees. Okay, on the lead of the pencil it is like a graphite. So these are all the things you are going to obtain from the natural things. Okay dear students, so here we have recall what we have learned in the last year. So just to recall other things like so here the human beings needs air. How they can take the breath? From their nose. Is it? In similar way, grasshopper, which organ is help us? That is the spicles. What is the spelling of spicles? S-P-I-R-A-C-L-E-S, spicles. Okay. Similar way, what about the fish? How they can take a breath? With the help of gills. Okay. So these are the gills. So sorry, here it is the gills where the fish can take a breath. What about the plants? How they are going to take a breath? With the help of leaves. Okay, in the leaves, which part is helping us, helping plant to take a gases? That is the stomata. Stomata is the home of exchanges of gases like a carbon dioxide and the oxygen. Okay, so on the leaves the gases can be exchanged. Okay, so this is the parts of the organs which help us to take a breath for human beings, for animals and for the plants. Okay, so this also very important concept, you must to know these things. Okay dear students, now another important question, that is the multiple choice question. Unscramble words in the living things and non-living things. You have to do it practice and you have to be ready for the further examination for periodic test 1. Okay dear students, so all the best. Let's meet in the next class with another revision part of the next chapter. Have a good day. Bye bye.